to Mr. Thomas Varghese, to Aghaaz-e-Taraqqi, to Salaam TV, and Urdu. And also Mr. Thomas Varghese, a token of love for our prestigious guests for their valuable time, and of course the message that is delivered here, that how individually we can take this forward. Of course, we are going to these rooms, to the pictures, to the photographs we have captured here. All of our guests' presence is making it wonderful, memorable. The conversation which we had was highly inspiring. Thank you so much. Thank you for your valuable time. Thank you, sir. Your presence makes it more special.